Ready!
Congratulations. You have an Ibis Bakers
Bakers
Flour,
Flour,
baby. Love it. So cute.
Right?
Adorable.
I know.
Yeah. And today we are making pakoras, vegetable pakoras,
Pakori.
with a traditional pakora sauce. And I'm looking forward to this one for sure.
Me too.
All right, Tiff, so we're going to double up on this. You cut in some veg, I'm cutting some tofu for pakoras.
Ready.
And I'm going to do some
Well, I see majority done prep.
small dice here, yep. Make life a little easier, right?
Come on.
And this one, you could also use other things, you know, in place of tofu. If you're somebody that likes cheese, you could do paneer
Right.
or things like that. if you
Also,
wanted to
something
do it.
like this, could you use meat as well?
I don't know, like in the traditional recipe, there isn't meat in it. But,
Right.
you know, I think we, you know, in the West here, we could do things a little differently because people like meat. I think something like shellfish, like shrimp or something might go good in this.
I could see that, yeah.
Yeah, I could see, because it's kind of like a Accra kind of way
Kind of way.
as well. So I could see saltfish working in that. So, you know, give it a try. You know, see what you like, what your
You
flavor
like,
is.
yeah. Right, so I have carrots, we frying. I'm excited to try this pimento, and then some onion.
Right.
But you know what's interesting to me? To see how small everything is cut in.
Right, because you want it to be well distributed through the batter, and also if it's like big pieces, it may not hold together well in the batter itself. So you want all those flavors to be in there. You want to get a piece of carrot and pimento and onion and tofu in it. So you know that's where you go. So while you're doing that, I'm gonna start the batter off itself.
Sure, I'm just finished.
So a cup and a half of Ibis Bakers flour. So we have 1 cup
Shift
there.
around
Try and
there.
measure. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Make sure things nice and centered. I'm just gonna eyeball a half cup. Good to go.
All right, and let me tell you all. So going into this flour, we have baking powder, cayenne, cumin or jeera seeds, turmeric, and garam masala. So go ahead and add
Right
that.
in. And to bring everything together, we're gonna add a half cup of water.
So give it a mix.
A nice mix.
We gotta get more water.
Well, you see, the tofu has some moisture in it as well. So you know you have to play with it a little bit.
But ideally, like how
You want you don't want a runny batter, but you do want something that holds together. If I were to compare it to something, I'd say kind of like pylori.
we
Kind
definitely
of consistency.
we might need a little more
Yeah,
water.
we're gonna need a little bit. So we're gonna add. I'm gonna help you over there. Yeah, now we're talking.
No, we getting somewhere. Yeah, that should be good.
Yeah, so that was a half cup water more.
So
we're going
essentially
in 1
about a
cup.
cup. And that. Incorporate everything.
Nice, and then all the veg that you carefully.
Hold on, you're
Slice.
forgetting one thing to add in here before that.
What's that?
The shadow Benny boy.
Well, we was going to add it in. I mean, everything going in, but you know,
So you wanna do this now or you wanna
No,
add
like-
in?
listening to you.
No,
Listening
I
to
feel it
you.
will incorporate easier if we do this now and then add the veg.
Yep, that's fine by me.
Yeah man, you see how I could mix this easy here?
Right, onions go in.
And we're just gonna
How much was that?
fold. I did about one medium-sized onion.
All right, some carrots,
Again, one medium-sized carrot.
and then you were very excited about the pimento.
Correct. But you know what's interesting? I now realize is everything frying up together.
Yeah,
And we just taking the heaps, or dollops, I should say.
and then the final thing to fold in would be the tofu. I'm giving you some work. I'm giving you some work
No
here, Tiff.
problem. And don't forget we gotta season with salt and black pepper. Oh, it's gonna be delicate, you see?
'Cause I mean, let me chew it and think it'll mash up anyway.
Yeah, no, but in here, you wanna keep the chunks,
Yeah, you want to keep that aesthetic.
Correct. All
Yeah,
right.
so while you mix that, and then
We're gonna finish up and then get these
season
bad
with salt
boys
and pepper.
in the-
First,
and then get these bad boys in the pot.
All right, so it's time to start frying these bad boys.
I am so excited. I'm very intrigued because
yeah.
as I was saying, I didn't realize everything was mixing together like this and then going. So yeah.
So yeah, it's had to be a little gingerly, and you know, we're using a home method here, a little 2 spoons.
Come on, like Granny used to do it.
Yeah, and just a little thing in the thing there.
Beautiful.
A little thing in the thing.
All right, and in the meantime, I'm gonna get ready.
Right.
What sauce we have here?
I will continue this, and this is a traditional Pakora sauce.
Oh, excuse
me. So yes,
me.
actually the name of the thing.
Excuse me. All right, so I'm going in with some shadow benny, some onion, mint, garlic. You know we love garlic in this kitchen.
A little too much sometimes. Right?
Some lime juice. And we have Scotch bonnet pepper, a little spice, a little sugar, you know, just to balance it, and salt to taste.
All right, and while this is happening here, just keeping a close eye.
All right, a little water as well.
These pakora in.
Oh, they look beautiful.
Oh yeah.
And I'm gonna start blending. All right, Khary, what consistency we looking for here?
You was going brave all the time.
Yeah.
Smooth, a nice smooth consistency.
All right, no problem.
So you're going good so far.
All right.
In the meantime, you could come and take a little closer look here, Chris, because these pakoras looking like how we want them to be. There's a nice even yellow color. That's the turmeric here. See, and you don't really want it dark. You don't want that golden per se. It's actually a nice even yellow
This
color.
smelling nice, but giving me a little bun in my eye.
So this could start coming out, and I'll go in with the next batch one time.
How are we looking in?
All right, that's looking good.
All right, awesome. Beautiful.
Right, nice, smooth.
Oh, yeah.
The freshness, you know, that scent again from you one time.
Yep.
And me and
And
these
how you going
pakoras,
there?
yeah, good.
The pakorin?
Yeah, the pakorin. So I'm taking out this one from this batch here.
All right.
I'm going to go right in with the next batch.
Lovely.
So we're going to continue this until we're done. So we'll come back just now. All right, Tiff, after all the frying and all the
Now
sauce
it's time
making.
for the trying.
Ah, I like that. The thing about this is like, you know, like shy items. I mean, yeah, we could be fancy and use a fork and all that, but
Yeah,
just
you talking
just
too
use
much.
your hand. Yeah,
You
yeah.
talking too much. Can I just dip?
I think you can.
Say
I
less.
think you can. I'll do the same thing. So hold
No,
on,
we
wait
love-
for me.
No, I waiting.
Right.
This already looks.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Woo.
You know, I was expecting it to kind of remind me of a pulori, but no, it doesn't. It's
Honestly,
its own thing.
it's just the color. It's just familiar with the color, but this is also my first time trying tofu. And I must
Alright,
say, I am
yeah.
pleasantly surprised. And of course, all the flavor. Yo, and the
No,
sauce.
I'm a big fan of. I like tofu in different ways and stuff like that. This is my first time having it in a pakora, and I like what the texture does. You know, it's crisp on the outside, then the inside has the
Oh, I forgot to
softness.
show you
but
on the
then
inside, but yeah, you see.
Well, you know, we might just have a bite of the next one there, Tiff.
Hey, you gotta tell me twice. Yeah, so outside you get the crunch. I mean, I don't know if you can hear it, but then inside, the veggies, everything is still very fresh. You still have a little bite, but tender. The tofu literally just melts. Like it
Yeah.
takes the flavor of the batter.
Yeah. And then everything just comes together really well. The spices, garam masala, turmeric, a little cayenne.
Come on. And the
Salt.
thing is that it doesn't have much heat. The sauce as well has the pepper, but nothing is too spicy. You will enjoy it.
I think everything comes together really nice.
It
So
does.
remember, like, share, subscribe, and check the comments below for the recipe. And tell us, how will you make pakoras if you'll put something different? If you'll put meat, let us know.